Johnson's vaccine now approved for emergency use. The company is set to deliver 4 million doses of that vaccine this week. The FDA's Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices recommending the vaccine for people 18 and older.
You now have 3 highly efficacious vaccines. If you go to a place and you have J&J and that's the one that's available now, I would take it. I personally would do the same thing. I think people need to get vaccinated as quickly and as expeditiously as possible.
News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink spoke with 2 Tucson doctors about what this could mean for the community. Eric.
Hey there, John. You know, those Johnson & Johnson, the first initial doses are actually on UPS and FedEx trucks. The first doses expected in Arizona within days as doctors here locally welcome another weapon in this fight.
A third vaccine now in the arsenal in the battle against COVID. The Johnson & Johnson shot requires just a single dose, and the vaccine can be stored in the fridge without the need to be in an ultra-cold freezer. Dr. Sudanagalingham of El Rio Health says the J&J vaccine is a critical piece of paving a path back to a sense of normalcy.
Right now, we're in a race against time to get as many people vaccinated so we could really get back to our normal, so to speak. Having this third vaccine really kind of decreases just more barriers to getting more people vaccinated. We really want to hit herd immunity, and so this is just one big key element to getting that done.
It certainly adds a different dimension.
Dr. Jack McGettigan, a physician at Tucson's Quality of Life Medical Center, led local trials for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. He says the need for just the one dose is key for some.
The population that finds it difficult to get into the doctor's office or into one of these clinics. Again, people that are far out there or people who have transportation issues, it's going to make it a lot easier on them.
Both McGettigan and Nagalingham say people shouldn't worry about getting one vaccine over another. Rather focus on taking your shot when it's your turn.
Every day I hear patients just, when am I going to be next? And so Eric, I think if you can get access to any of these vaccines, it's a race against time to get one rather than none at all.
And a spokesman with the Arizona Department of Health Services says Arizona is slated to receive between 50,000 and 60,000 first. Those initial doses of Johnson & Johnson, Arizona slated to receive between 50,000 and 60,000. Those doses could be on the ground here in our state very soon. And again, in terms of efficacy, Johnson & Johnson, that single dose shot, 72% effective 14 days after getting the vaccine in preventing critical COVID illness. And after a month, that efficacy jumps to 85%. We've got you covered live this evening on the North Side. I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.